Today at Glomac, we have the patient came all the way from Japan to do a hair transplant.
Hi, I'm from Osaka, Japan. I'm here to take a hair plant for my big forehead. When I was a child, my mom tied my hair up so strong and my forehead became like M-shaped and big. I'm so excited for the surgery that I couldn't sleep last night.
Lowering hairline design. From the glabella to here is 5 cm, and from the anterior point to behind here is 2 cm. The frontal temple from here to here is 4 cm. We're going to fill up all this area, and from here to here is 3 cm. One finger breadth, 3 finger breadth.
I'm so excited for the surgery. I like this design.